Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is something for breakfast, which is vegan. You know, everyone loves scrambled eggs, so I just thought, what can we do that's just a little bit different? Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook that I've actually found under the section of brunch, and it is the Scrambled Harissa Tofu. I've actually tried this before and it is absolutely brilliant. I've been meaning to cover this for a long time. The 3 core ingredients you've got for this is obviously your tofu, which is from the cauldron, which is organic, which has got the accreditation from the Soil Association. Tried this before, it's really good. I bought this from Waitrose on offer. And then we need a onion. I'm going to use some rose harissa paste. There is actually 5 ingredients in the Ottolenghi Simple recipe, but the 2 I'm eliminating is actually the olive oil and also the salt. I don't think you need that. And what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to cut up the onions and I'm going to air fry these with my Ninja. It's an absolutely brilliant piece of equipment. It'd also be interesting to see what your favourite vegan breakfast is. I've also included a recipe which covers a tomato salsa with avocado, so please check that out. That's absolutely brilliant. I'm actually going to serve this with the sourdough toasted, but then also a nice little avocado and cucumber salad here, and which just comprises of cucumber, green chillies, avocados, a bit of coriander, lime juice and a little sprinkle of nigella seeds, and that's what the final dish should look like. Nothing better than in the morning and waking up and put some nice relaxing music on and spend some nice time cooking and spending that time with your loved ones, you know, just relaxing. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Yeah, please do subscribe as well. So let's get going. Take your chopping board and a sharp knife and get your onion and just slice into half. And what you want to do is you want to slice these into as thinly as you can and try and make these really as consistent as you can. You can also use one of these guillotine slicers which sets it to a certain thickness. Place your sliced onion into your air fryer tin or your oven baking tin, and you just want to loosen these up, make sure that it's distributed across a tray evenly. Next, place your sliced onions into the air fryer, and then you just want to set for 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Once finished, take your heat-proof mat, take the onions out of the air fryer and just place to cool. Transfer these then into a side bowl and just place to one side. Then you want to take your tofu, remove from the packaging, and just drain the excess water. And what I'm doing here is I just want to score it just into quarters, because I only want to use a quarter of this block. It's entirely up to you in terms of preference with how much tofu you want to do, but I would recommend usually a 1-to-1 ratio with onion and tofu. I'm using some disposable kitchen towel here just to dry and remove that excess water from the tofu. You know what you want to do is you want to cut these into very small cubes. There are no set dimensions with this, but what the objective is to get that scrambled eggs once added into the pan. Just place into a side bowl. The 2 core ingredients for your scrambled tofu are now ready. Now it's time to make your salad, which is entirely optional. So just get your cucumber, your avocado, your lime and your coriander. Take your avocado and remove the stone, and then what you want to do is you want to just roughly slice these lengthways, then gently place into your salad bowl. Next, take your cucumber, slice into half, and roughly it's a V shape. You just want to cut out the inners which contain all the water. Then slice these widthways. These add a real nice crunch to your salad. Then add these to your side bowl. Next, take your coriander and just roughly chop up, and also the inners with the cucumber, you don't want to waste. Next, take your lime, slice into half and juice, then add this to your salad mix. Also add all your coriander and your cucumber innards. Entirely optional, but you can add some chopped fresh green chillies. In this case I'm adding some of the green shatta that I've made in advance. Finally, just gently stir through your salad and just place it to one side. Now for cooking your scrambled tofu, you just want to turn on the heat on your stove, then add your rose harissa paste to your pan, and just gently heat this. Then you want to add your onions, Then on a medium heat, you just want to stir this through and infuse that harissa paste with the onions. Then the final stage is, of course, adding your tofu. Here you can actually use a potato masher, just gently press through the mixture and just giving it that scrambled effect. Depending on the utensil you're using, it might fuse to it, so just pull this away. And finally, you have your scrambled tofu. Well done.
And voila! So here it is. You can add as much tofu as you want. I mean, I've sort of had more of a 2-to-1 ratio with the onions. So you're going to put that to one side. I'm just doing some toast. This is actually sourdough buns, almost like brioche. It's lovely. Now I've just shown you how to rustle this up. This takes no longer than 5 minutes, and it's just a lovely little salad. Put that on decoratively. Voila! And here it is. This is the scrambled harissa tofu. Nice little salad, super. Even my wife would love this. So, really hope you're enjoying this show. Please check out the playlist for other vegan meals. Also, I'm going to create a playlist for brunch and breakfast ideas. Also, please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 PM. Turn on those notifications. Stay healthy.